Mercedes-Benz 230 SI. This car third made in the world, so it's a clean car actually. No scratch, no dent. It's beautiful actually. So today I'm going to change that's what I'm going to change it. Last time I changed the cylinder, the brake cylinder, and today I'm going to change this one. He bought a new one, paid £650, and he ordered in Germany. There is no part number. Look, designed 70 years ago. You see the screen washer bottle. How is it? It's like a bag, rubber. Mercedes. So first thing, I'm going to open this side. This car have one problem. The brake, it doesn't brake in. It's like half working, and when you brake, it's some air leak from here and the engine getting misfired. So that's why I'm changing this one. You cannot bleed properly, and one time this cylinder was broken, so it was full of the oil, full of the brake fluid, so I think that damaged the inside. That's why I'm going to replace it. She comes with the screw, with the rubber, with everything. ياوش برغيك باشا برغي شي عدلة أو برغيها زرري هيتي لنا دابي زرري باس دورة قيلي ذا بيزقل وش مانجا كسعر قيلة ما رقتيا زاو برغي شي يقلب جانية ليك تولد استي بربا أو طبقنا ذا وتمشاك استعبها تمشا جورك مزاين زين عارك ها اها سندي كم بو ديتت يعني زين سن چار پنجه و پشتری استابیت یک پنجه و جوه هشتان ماه اگر او دبوی دبستم زیاتر دست پاش واندام all done. يكفرن بيلي دا لصار دوري دوكاني خوم خوا اقدار شش خاني ديني لها وليري دريم لو كده خلق هم يدم شادك هم يدري لافلي هم يدري جوانا او تشي تشي والله خوتي عين تشي وقران درم بي خوش اون دي بي رويشتم درم بوي خوش تربو لخانيتي يعني بزانا او تامي شش خاني هي